Wale mnafika hapa mara ya kwanza, karibuni. Wale mnafika hapa tena, karibuni tena. I know that we would have wanted to listen to our two other leaders who are present with us here this evening, but I have another engagement exactly at 8:30, because as you all know, we have a situation in our region of different types of instability, and and Kenya is providing leadership in many respects to stabilize our region. To all of you, let me say how proud I am to be associated and to be part of this Muslim community. I have proudly worked with many Muslim leaders. We have done many things together. We have built mosques together. We have built churches together. We have built madrasas together. And it is because we believe in God. And I want to encourage you as Muslims to continue not just believing in God, but doing something about it. Because we are all the better as a nation if we believe in God. A nation that doesn't have God in its equation is a nation that has no future. And I am very proud as president of this country that I lead a religious nation. And I want to tell you that we must never take it for granted that we have the freedom of worship in Kenya, and that we can worship God however we want. There are countries who do not have the privilege that we have. There are countries where religion is under pressure from politicians and from public policy. We are proud that in Kenya we share our religion freely and we work together freely. And I want to ask our religious leaders, let us celebrate the freedom of worship in Kenya. Let us not tusiingize kiburi katika mambo ya dini katika taifa letu. Taifa la Kenya tumebarikiwa na nafasi ya uhuru wa kuabudu katika taifa letu. Kenya hii, serikali, sisi zote freely tunaungana na dini, tunashiriki dini, tunafanya kazi kusaidia dini zetu. It is only in Kenya that religious leaders are opposed to people supporting religion. I wish they knew that there are places where religion is under siege from politicians and from public policy. So I want to encourage you, mwendelee na kumtolea Mungu, mwendelee na kujenga. Mimi ni mjenzi And you don't need any evidence more than you can see. You know, I am in the business of building schools. We built 17,000 classrooms in the last 2 years. As a person, I am building 167 classrooms in Nairobi County alone. We are building 154,000 affordable housing units across Kenya. We are building 240 new markets around Kenya. We are building close to another 100,000 hostels or hostel spaces for our children in Kenya. We are building roads. And as you know, this building was not there. I built it. And behind me, I am also building something else. And so, we are not going to leave our churches and our mosques behind. We will build them as well. Let us continue nation building. That is how you build a nation. And nation building is work in progress. We must keep at it and continue doing that which we must do in building our nation. I will proudly say that this nation is a nation that believes in God, even when we have challenges. Look at what God has done for our nation. When we thought things have fallen apart, God has put it together better than we had even organized ourselves. And so, I will continue the journey of eliminating prejudices, reducing and eliminating differences, making sure that equity, equality, fairness, and leaving nobody behind become the definition of our nation. And I want to give you my word, by God's grace, this country is going to move forward. Na waeleza kwa mapenzi ya Mungu nchi yetu ya Kenya. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba tuondoe yale mambo ambayo yanatuletea ubaguzi. Mumesema hapa kuhusu mambo kadha, vitambulisho, mambo ya passports, mambo yale mengine ambayo yanatuletea matatizo ya ubaguzi. And I have committed myself that nchi yetu ya Kenya tutaondoa ubaguzi, tutazima chuki, tutaondoa migawanyiko, tutamaliza ukabila. Ndio Kenya isimame iwe moja. I know there are people who feel jittery when we talk about equity and equality. There is absolutely nothing to be fearful about, because unity, equality, fairness, justice is good for everybody. And so we must do it together. So, and I want to, because we are in an occasion that has a religious bearing, and we thank God that we can celebrate our religion in different ways, but in harmony as a nation. And we can do it together. That we will pursue the things that unite us, that bring us together. that creates an environment where all our aspirations can be achieved. And I am very confident that we will succeed together. I have said, and I will repeat here, that the government of Kenya is able to carry all of us from different backgrounds, from different communities, different religions. We can all fit in the government of Kenya. And nobody needs to walk out for somebody else to come in. Na kama kumekuwa na mtu mwenye hapo na taswishi kwamba serikali ya Kenya inaweza kututosha sisi wote. Now we have a broad-based government. Everybody is here. Sasa tuko na watu kutoka kila mahali. Na bado haijajaa, iko sawa. It is okay. Hakuna. Nobody has had to leave for others to come in. We are all here. And that is the beauty of our nation. And that is the beauty of unity. And so, I want to encourage all of us here that we can do this together as Kenyans. Mwisho kabisa, as we move forward, we will continue to look at the issues that have been raised here, issues of education, and how we can mainstream religious education and find a nexus between religious education and the formal education that we have. So we will look at what we need to do. Mumesema mambo ya Waqf, and I agree with you. It is it's taken too long. There is absolutely no reason, and I had a problem with the AG who was there. He was fairly incompetent, but I now have a very competent lady. I now have a very competent lady, and I can assure you that the issues of Waqf will be sorted out in a matter of months. I also want to assure you that our Nubian brothers and sisters are solid members of the Kenyan society. And therefore, they are going to be mainstreamed as a Kenyan community, either by Madaraka or by Jamhuri. So at least this year, we will conclude the exercise of them being mainstreamed as part of the Kenyan society, because indeed they have made huge contributions to the development of our nation and to the progress of Kenya. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure you of my support in every aspect, that you need my support. And as we build this nation, I also want to assure you that this nation can carry all of us. We want to thank God what He has done to us. Our economy is doing well. The weather is responding well. We are making good progress with all the assignments that we have. And in the middle of many difficulties that are global and different other aspects, we are making progress as a nation. Continue to pray for Kenya and continue to pray for us. And let me ask for myself, continue to pray for me as president of this nation, so that I can know what is the will of God and I can do it. So otherwise, asanteni sana, nashukuru kwa